morning. Winter may be feeling more like an unwelcome guest, as I said, staying longer than expected. The city tracking the potential of more snow, followed by that big cold. Wind chills, they could be dangerous, dropping to as low as -20. The city has officials now moving into that preparedness mode for the cold weather.
It's already been a challenging winter for New York City. It's been a very cold month or so. Now we get into a weekend where we're talking about not just cold temperatures, very cold temperatures, but also some winds that are going to make it feel well below zero, as Stephen mentioned. So what is the approach? What is the preparation now for this city going into this weekend?
Yeah, so we have, it's been very cold, and obviously we got a decent amount of snow for the last 2 weeks. So the city has been, we never stopped at being activated, the city's emergency operations center, all of our agencies. And like you said, we could see the coldest temps this weekend.
Hello, what's going on? Right now, it's so cold in New York. Like, the feels like temperature is in the -degrees Fahrenheit. We had a massive snowstorm last week, and this entire week, snow on the ground. All the cars are just stuck on the side of the road. Basically, no one's driving, not a lot of people are walking. It's super slushy. I've tried to go on walks and, I have to go to the gym and do things and interact, but it's definitely forcing a lot of us inside. Lucky for me, I like being indoors. I'm definitely a big outdoors person, but I have enough indoor activities and hobbies and things that I like to do inside that make it not such a burden, maybe compared to other people. Yeah, today I'm just having a nice slow morning. My favorite team is winning 4-0, so let's fucking go. Yeah, I think in this video, I just wanna stay inside and do different indoor activities because it's so cold. And I'm gonna show a little bit of the snowstorm that happened last weekend that started all of this. Oh, this is cold. And then later today, I'm going to my friend's place and we are gonna do some sewing projects. And I do have a project that I wanna do. It's super simple. I'm not that good with a sewing machine, but I picked up some denim fabric and I wanna make a denim tablecloth. It is kind of a lighter fabric, but I kind of just want a table runner. So I'm gonna try to make that. Also, the snowstorm is kind of forcing me to just slow down a little bit and relax and try not to do too many things, see too many people. I think I try to fit a lot in my life, and I'm very busy brained. I like to be productive and to feel like I'm achieving something. And sometimes when you're stuck inside, it forces you to just take a breath. And I'm trying to come up with an answer, but I don't even need an answer. I just need to relax. So yeah, let's just slow down. Do you hear my radiator? That's New York telling me to stop recording. What did I do today? So, in today's snowstorm, I
Shut up, P. You are so beautiful.
Hey, beautiful boy. Where's your hat? Hi, beautiful boy. Hi.
Perfect.
Oh, so it's going down on that right side.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna keep it on
Yeah.
the edge.
Yeah,
Forward.
that's good. Oh, we lost the thread.
Where'd you go?
This is like one of those skills that I wish I knew sooner, you know?
Well, you're knowing it now.
Sure.
Doesn't matter. Mira.
Yeah, I did it.
Now ready? Ready for the review?
Clean.
Wow.
Oh, cord. Turn that camera off.
Wait, so you left?
What?
Gotta pin my hair back.
Look.
We've been sewing all
Oh my
day.
God. We're on hour like 5 or 6. I ironed the edges, and so now I just have to sew them down, and then I'll be done with my table runner. Hi, Peaks!
Hey vlog, I'm also on final step. I took a giant pair of jeans and I made 2 aprons. We've got it lined in the back. We've got grommets. And soon we'll have a pocket. I still need to figure out straps, but
This looks so good.
where's the other one? Oh, here's random ribbon.
Annika's been teaching us all day. Oh, so cute. Alright, I'll speed mine up then too.
No, it's not a game.
Didn't know it was like that.
Careful now.
Sam has no idea what I'm coming home with.
No.
He has no idea. A table runner
No.
with lace on it.
With lace.
Alright, we're doing it. So at least on one side it's... I want to see what it looks like dangling. right, so today it's -11 degrees in New York, or at least it feels like -11. I did go outside to grab a few things.
Why are we doing this? What are we even buying? Pots?
So I got this pot and a few others. I think this afternoon I want to do a little bit of plant maintenance. I've been doing this a little bit, so yesterday I did a lot of cutting and propagating, mainly just pothos and a chocolate soldier, but I want to do some repotting. So I have this euphorbia that I want to repot. It's still in a nursery pot, but I've had it for like a year and a half, which is really bad. And I kind of have just like stuck it into this pot, but I don't like it anymore. I want to get rid of it. So I'm gonna put it in just a classic terracotta. And then I have this jade that I think Sam got it for me last Valentine's Day, so that's basically a year ago. I'm gonna finally put this in a larger pot. And then for the big task, I don't know if you could see, I am going to finally put her in a real pot. Right now I have her in a plastic pot, and then I put the plastic one into this really beautiful stone looking ceramic piece. I'm finally just gonna put her into the actual pot, and I finally got a catcher to go with it. This is my beautiful philodendron. I know there is a new name for them, but I don't know it yet, so I will just keep calling her philodendron. Okay, I think that's everything. So let's get started. So I didn't really start enjoying houseplants until after college, probably around COVID, but there's this YouTuber named Benji Plant who I started watching around COVID, and he really got me into plants. Oh my God. And I still follow him to this day. I feel like everything I know is from him. Also, I just wanted to show you this. This is like the cutest container ever, and it has all of my soil. So with plants, it's pretty important to have your own like mixing soil. You don't want to just use the store-bought ones. You want to use that as a mixture with a ton of other things. So I live in New York City, and this apartment doesn't really have good storage. So you have to get creative with how you store things. So I got this, and this actually just sits in my living room. It's super cute, and it kind of goes with the space, but it's kind of my best purchase ever, and my boyfriend likes it, so. Ow, ow, shit. I feel like the roots are really healthy. Little tip, always put little rocks at the bottom so your roots aren't sitting in water. And then we start the fun part. Oh my God. I gotta stop doing that. Is this pot too small? Maybe. It's actually looking pretty good. Oh my God. Okay, 1 down, 2 to go. All right, let's do the jade next. This pot is so small. This is like a 3-inch pot. If I go silent, that just means I'm so focused. Just a little bit to start. Oh my God, it's so tight. Like the root ball is so small. Oh wow, ooh, this is like dry as hell. Oh, oh my back. That should be good. I'm locked in, okay. Okay, that should be good. Look at her. That's 2, 1 more. This is the one I'm worried about. Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's just take it out. Oh my God. These rocks are so wet, oh my God. I mean, that's definitely something. I'm gonna have to deal with that. Wow, this is crazy. Hey. Can you help me? Okay, they're right there. Pretty. Perfect. Thank you, babe. Wait, this is looking good. All done. Yeah. Wow. Oh, it's awesome. Wait, let me show the camera. Wait, as I am doing this, look what Sam just got.
It's a painting of me.
Wow, that was you in Munich in 1972. Look at those pecs.